Yes, mga diway. Ako. Toyo. Ang lakas na ka ng toyo ko. Toyo pa.
Kami na ano. Tubig mo.
Ay, masakit.
Ayun na. Wala. Tubig. Oh, tubig.
Para mas po ng lapon sa ritos.
1, 2, 3, go! Punta ka pa rito, ha? Tubig! Yeah!
Oh, wala nang to, ha?
Malupit na ka din, Iwan. Huwag niyo na natin minom ng toyo.
Oh.
Nadagdagan tuloy yung toyo mo.
Kung malakas ang toyo nyo.
Ay, ulit. Oh.
Next, Hazel.
Ano siya ba?
Wala, umuwi na.
Iba na yung mukha. Magandang araw mga ka-DIY. Masaganang bagong taon sa ating lahat. Mga ka-DIY, bagong buhay, bagong pag-asa, magandang buhay mga ka-DIY. Maraming salamat sa Diyos Ama sa isang taon na binigay sa atin ng masaganang buhay. Ay mga ka-DIY, samahan nyo kami at maglalaro kami ngayong January 1. Kasama natin mga pamangkin, anak, dito sa bahay. Papalaro kami mga ka-DIY. Maglalaro kami mga ka-DIY. Yan. Samahan nyo kami mga ka-DIY. Let's get it started! Nice. Ano siya kuya?
Okay, Kupe. Go. Picture na lang yun. 11.
11
Baka may miss na naman yan.
Soju.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Oxygen?
Sabi ko malis, diba?
Ano yan? Hindi kayo nakakahinga na? Ano yun? Hindi kayo nakahinga sa relationship nyo? Ano?
Okay.
Paliwanag nyo kung bakit.
Ano na?
Ano yan?
Nakasail eh.
Okay. Masyado na malaki yung... Open. Ading mo ang itlog na
Ano
naman
ba
din.
yan? Wag naman.
10.
Uy, gusto mo talaga sa itlog, ah. 10.
Ten.
Red horse.
Ah, beto.
Walang yelo.
Oy,
Sunod.
Hindi naman to 10 eh. 13.
Si ano?
Uy, tingnan mo. Hindi daw 10 1, 3. Ay, ito pala.
ang daya naman pala nitong tagakuha.
Bitin yan.
Oh.
Red horse. Next. Hey.
Kung ano,
Mga ka-DIY, ito yung mga New Year's namin. New Year's activity namin. Mga ka-DIY.
21.
Oh.
Ito, kuya. Oh, ganun ulit. Yung nabunod niya kanina.
Ulit. Ang galing mo naman.
Ito yung mga pamangking ko, ma-pick namin.
Manila.
Ay! Ay! Ay!
Daya, tinatapos.
Oh. Si Andrea. Andrea. Ay, parang wala lang, oh.
apa sa kanya?
Parang expert lang to sa alak to. Oh.
Kakalasing mo yung tinagabi niyan eh.
Diyan pero ako ng bilis.
Kaya nga, parang ang bilis. Dinadaya tayo ng Kuya Bulong.
Okay.
Go, go, go.
Ano na ba si Balong?
Baka itlog.
Number 2.
Ay, bakit ganun? Puro toyo ang nakukuha ko. Kasi ito mga matuyo to mga
Sorry.
Bukas may sakit na paano sa akin. Yan, malalasay dito. Meron pa dito. Dami ako ng tubig niya. Ayan.
Huwag ka na kasi
Bigyan ng tubig.
Kuya.
Tubig. Ay, bigyan mo tubig.
Tubig daw.
Toyo.
Ayun yung baso.
Toyo.
Yes, so sweet.
Lalo tumaas yung uric acid mo dyan sa alak.
Tuba.
Asan na si Mark? Ang tagal naman niya. Doon lang saan may... Ano, Pilimbis 1 lang ah. Gusto mo sunduin ko?
Baka itlog.
Kinakabahan ako sa itlog na yan, ah.
Ito ba?
Di black ba? Black na 2?
Opo.
Ito yata.
Diyan lang.
Yan.
Toyo.
Toyo! 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 Toyo!
Tapos ng tuyo mo na.
Mana.
Oh, parang wala. Siyempre siya yun ito. Oh, next. Sino na?
Oh, no, ano? Dinadala mo kami, ah. Kunti lang toyo. Grabe naman yan. Kuya, pinupuno.
Kunti lang naman. Kunti lang.
Itlog na lang. Itlog.
Oh, bakit lang?
Op. Kanina yan.
Itlog. 22.
Buti na lang hindi itlog.
22.
Ano ba yung number ng itlog?
Ay! Ito pala.
Ano yan?
Ano mo kay Andrea?
Ano yan?
Yung ano ng ano kuya?
Yung parang
Sus ng ham.
Yung ba yan?
hindi naman nakikita. Lasing yarn. Sa short.
Ate Che. Ate Che na. Dapat
Wala na ko, bebe.
Sino si Cheryl?
Mami, sagot.
Okay.
Wala, mahulog.
Yung may anak ka pang dala-dala.
Ay, 12.
21.
21 men.
21.
Yan.
Oy, ganun din. Ang galing.
Ano yan? Yung nakuha niya?
Ganun to ulit eh.
Uy, inom ka niya, nagpapadede ka pa. Oh.
May anak pa sa'yo.
Oh, may anak ko.
Hindi ganun katamis.
Wow. Ading, ikaw na wala.
Kinakabanak sa itlog, ah.
Itlog.
Mga itlog ang mapupunta sa'yo.
Itlog.
Niya, inom pa na siya ng itlog. Oh.
Yung kadiri. Uy, kainin nyo sayang.
May plastic ka.
Papawalan na lang na yan.
Sige, tawag doon. Ganon. Bulutong.
Di nga, dito.
Inom pala.
Dapat diretso.
Tan.
Inom.
Oh.
Inom na. Inom.
1, 2, 3. Dapat yung ano niya.
Wala pang
Go!
Kaya ka? Aminin mo na.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood. But then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon. It can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and turn from adversity. All our minds are trying to work and we got some work, man.
Okay, just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, nothing never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, then we can be okay. Okay, lady, you gon' need the change I need today. I promise that I'm not a giver down this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
Controlling you, I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life's a nuisance, time's loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway, I know It's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break home. I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost, don't for the win. I'm mislead, all with you. We die with a purpose. All the energy around me, felt nervous. Scared I would pop out fast on the surface. Had to cut it up before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had to give it up, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm giving up my guard, I might never caught a boy. Flush of left, you never know what's up. But I'm back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like a man, I'm a piece of the net. They can never beat me, nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything. Wanna stay salty. I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm coming, but I just can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I just wanna run. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still love you, I have purpose. It's over, it's gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with the view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through.
Stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Sino next? Sige na! Ay, 40! Yes!
Yes! Ang lupit!
Mainom ka pa. Tumukha.
Okay.
Andrea! Uy! Gusto mo yung ano? Lakasan mo, Andrea, yung tigil, ano?
Yung matanggal yung buhok mo! Dito! 1, 2, 3, go! Go! Hanapin mo.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Hanapin mo, sige.
Sige pa.
Hanapin mo.
Hanapin mo.
Start na ba yan?
Hanap mo. Hanap ka, Bunso. Hanap ka. Ipan mo. Ipan mo, ipan mo.
Dali.
Huwag mo
Di na makaya niya.
Kapag mo kailangan mo kasi doon kasi ano. Doon lang kayo.
Sige, ganun mo. Hanapin mo, bilis. Hanapin.
Suko na. Suko na.
Talo.
Isa namin.
2, 3, go.
Hanapin mo na. Ayan, malapit na. Hindi dyan, sa kabila.
Malapit ka
Sige
mag-give
pa,
tayo.
bilisan mo. Kaliwa. Yan. Bilisan mo. Tignan mo na.
Kapay mo ng ngipin mo.
Oo. Nakita mo na. Ay, bawal ka kamain.
Yan, malapit na. Lapit ka na maligo.
Oras.
Wala. Wala ka.
Bilisan mo. Bilisan mo.
May 1 minute na.
Wala pa, bilis. Yeah!